All right, ready?
Okay. On? Okay. Show you a couple different styles of mulch here. So this is a native mix. It's a brown natural mulch. This is a very coarse blend of mulch. By coarse, what they mean is how big the pieces are. There's bigger pieces in this mulch than say a finer blend. Look at what we're doing for you here. This is a finer blend mulch, and so what it is the pieces are a lot smaller. The benefits of the different styles of mulch are, if it's a larger blend, it tends to stay more loose and it allows more water and air down in the soils, which is really good for your plants. The drawback is a lot of people don't like the bigger pieces, so most of it is just about looks. I always tell people, ultimately, get what you really want, rather than, if you aren't going to like this mulch when I put it down, there's no point in putting it down. If we have a good landscaper like us, we'll make sure that it's maintained really well so you don't have an issue whether you do a black mulch, a large coarse mulch, or whether you do the finer mulch.